Hey guys, this is Takoa, also known as Southern Tea Time, and today I will be doing an unboxing / review of the new accessory storage by the Happy Planner. And I'm really excited, and so this looks like it can fit in your cart, and also it can be placed nice and cute on your desk. And so I just want to go ahead and unbox this because I did get this with the new spring release, and it has 3 simple steps, so it shouldn't take me long to put this together. And so I thought I would just do a quick video just showing you how everything looks and what fits in it and how easy it is to set up, and maybe also giving you some tips on how I'm going to be using it, or maybe some other options of how you can actually use this storage, accessory storage in your craft space. So I can already tell you I am in love with this because it is actually going to match my sticker storage bin that I also have, and I really like this, so I thought I'd go ahead and pick this up because I have some ideas of how I want to utilize this. And so once you unfold it, of course you have the compartments. You take that little flap that was hanging off and you just flip it over, and that becomes the base. And then here you have your different compartments. You have like a large, medium, small, too small, about the same size. And that's all you do. And so on the back here it has the 2 little strips with the adhesive on it. And so all you do is just take those adhesives off and put that away. And then, yeah, so I'm going to get my tweezers, because me taking this off with my fingernails, the adhesive part, it has become a hassle. So I'm just going to strip those off really quick. And then you'll see like the adhesive part of it in just a second, if I can grip that one and pull it off. And then once you have the adhesive shown, all you do is just make sure you have the box lined up. And I don't like to have those little open spaces in the inside. So I want to make sure I get it tight and right, you know, at the first time. So I'm just trying to double check, make sure I don't have make sure I'm having it lined up right. And then also line it up in the grooves on the back. And then once you got it to where you want it, just go ahead and fold that back and then press a little light. Don't press it too hard. And what I'm going to do is just kind of take my hand in the inside and also my hand on the outside and kind of go along with it together, you know, smooth it out, make sure I'm, you know, giving it a nice pressure to it so it can, you know, grab the adhesive. But for the most part, I have the sticker storage boxes, and I haven't had any problems with it like coming apart, the adhesive like coming loose. So what I did though with the sticker books, I did put some stickers in the inside overnight and then turn it on the adhesive side and kind of let it set like a couple of hours. And it seems to be working. You know, I don't have any problems doing that. So I may end up doing that with this accessory storage as well. Maybe putting in some sticker books and then laying it on its back so they can stick. So I want to go ahead and try some sticker books, you guys. So I'm going to do some sticker books. I just kind of want to see what's going to fit in what areas. I'm going to throw in this mini fitness planner, and then, you know, I got to put my classic Franken planned planner in there because that's what I'm going to use it for on my desk. And so that's going to be my planner's, you know, new house, and my sticker books new houses. And so I like that because instead of it just kind of being in the way on my desk, I can kind of, you know, move it around. So now I am going to see if my big Happy Planner can fit in here, you guys. And this big Happy Planner is on the expander disc, and I still have room in it as well. So I do like that, but you can only get one big one in here. So you can't add anything else to it, but it has a pretty good fit and it still has room. So I'm impressed right now. I'm really impressed with it so far. So I know that can fit, you know, my big Happy Planner in there if I want, because right now it doesn't have a home. But I'm going to put my classic size still. I'm going to put it back in there because that's just what I like to see. I like to see my planner sitting on my desk and all that good stuff. And then, of course, that's my old Happy Nichi from 2019. But I just want to see if my Happy Nichi can actually fit in there that I'm currently using. So you get a classic size, some sticker books, a mini planner, and a Happy Nichi. That's a win-win. So I think each compartment has a little bit for everything. So far, I'm loving how everything looks. I'm loving it. And as far as the size, I really love the size. I was a little worried that it was going to be bigger than what it really is, but I love the size of it. It's perfect. And I just can't wait to kind of, you know, put it actually on my desk where I want it. So I want to do a little comparison. I want to bring out my sticker storage box as well, take out some stickers sticker books to kind of let you see the inside of it and just kind of let you see the comparison as far as the length, the width, and all that good stuff. But I just love that I have a matching set to go along with my sticker storage box, and it also goes with my craft area, so I'm really excited about that. But as you can see here, it just has a little bit of extra. It's a little longer in size of the sticker storage box, and then a little longer as well in the sticker storage. So if you're contemplating purchasing it, because I had been hesitant about buying it because I wasn't for sure of the size. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but now that I have it in my hands, I can kind of see it and compare it with my sticker storage box. I'm happy with the size, so I really do love that. So again, this is going to house like my sticker books and stuff in there, my planners. And so like I said, I have different options of how I want to use it. But I just want to try out a few more things just to kind of see what all can, you know, fit in there, like my mega sticker book. So it does fit that very well. But I thought I could do maybe two. Don't do that. Don't try that. So 2 mega sticker books cannot fit in one compartment. They will have to be separate. And let's see. I want to see how many sticker books I can actually get in this little compartment here. So let's see. 7, 8. Okay, so I have about 10 sticker books. So 10 sticker books can fit in there, and then maybe 2 mega books. 2 mega sticker books can fit on the other side as well. And then also, you know, your classic size Happy Planner. Yeah, so, you know, and also maybe turn it on its side. So if you don't want it to stick all the way out, you can lay it down, but it's just your preference. But I do like the fact that it could turn sideways in there and still have room to place, you know, other stuff in there. But I think I'm gonna stand it up because I do like to see it amongst my stickers. So yes. And then let's see, Happinichi, nah. No, I don't recommend that. So let's just keep it simple. I'm not even going to try to force that. We're just going to do 1 classic size, 10 sticker books to the left, 2 mega sticker books on the right. I just love how that looks. So I bet you guys are like wondering, like, Southern Tea Time, how are you going to be using this? What are you using this for? So what I was thinking about using this for was to pre-plan some of my videos. I'm thinking about maybe purchasing another sticker accessory storage album, sticker storage. Not sticker storage, get it together. Accessory storage, because I do want to have one just to house like all of my planners and stuff like that, my skinny Happy Planner. But I also want one to pre-plan with. So I may end up purchasing actually 2 more, because I want one for pre-planning, and then I also want one for Madison, because, you know, now we're doing this whole homeschooling thing. And so I want her to have one on her desk as well. She can put her books in there, some pencils, and maybe some notepads. And honestly, this is a really thick and sturdy accessory storage box, and I really like it. But I wanted to show you how well it looks when you have accessory that matches. So here is my desk with my sticker storage album, and then also my accessory storage together on my desk, how I would envision it. And it looks really nice and cute. I love how everything just matches. And so again, that's what I love about the Happy Planner, just having the accessories to match and go along with everything that you have and just help you be more creative. So let me know how you will be using this, or if you're thinking about purchasing this, let me know how you're going to be using this sticker storage album. And so I hope you enjoyed my unboxing / review of this sticker storage album. I hope you enjoyed it enough to go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, I hope that you consider subscribing to my tea party. Thanks for watching.